What is up, guys? Happy Wednesday. I gotta show y'all the room, but that's besides the point. That's not what I came on here for. I just could see it in the background. But y'all, so I'm editing my video, y'all, and I'm so cute. Like, don't mind the face right now because I just took a shower and whatnot, but like, look at me. Like, why am I so pretty? I'm pretty now too, but like, my makeup was flawless that day. As you can see, I still have not put the color contacts back in. But the real reason I came on here is because my package from Young Nails finally arrived. For those of you who may or may not know, I am in cosmetology school and I am working on getting my cosmetology license, and I think I finally come to the conclusion that I probably don't really want to do hair. I mostly want to stick with my skincare, waxing, and nails. So I ordered the core kit from Young Nails, and so I got my box. This is what it comes like this. But I just want to unbox it for you all because I want to unbox it for y'all so you can see what all comes in this kit. But like, give me a few seconds and I'll come back and do that for y'all. Alright, y'all, so like I said, I did want to do my unboxing of my Young Nails products. So I already took this tape off, passed this little paper piece in there, and here is the kit. It is the Pro Acrylic Kit Core Kit. Let's see. It is very heavy. Very heavy. But yeah, so this is the box it came in. This is what it looks like. This is the front of it. Pretty much shows you everything that you get in this kit. That's the side of the box. And then the back of the box actually tells you everything that the kit includes. So it includes, let's see if I get it to focus. You get 2 6-ounce nail liquids, Core Natural, Core Clear. Oh, I almost dropped this box, y'all. Core Pink, Core White, and the extra white. You get an 8-ounce white, 1-ounce rose cuticle oil, 1/3 ounce ultimate finish gel, 1/4 ounce of protein bond, 1/2 ounce of brush on glue, 150 grit file, 100 grit file, 180 grit combo file, a 240 grit combo file, 180 gray sponge, 50 pack natural assorted nail tips, 50 pack clear assorted nail tips, an acrylic brush, a manicure brush, 100 pack nail forms, the plastic eyedropper, and a glass dabbing dish. And then you can see some of that on here. And so when you open it, all of those things are in here, like a little protective bubble wrap. Here are all the files that I listed. This is one of the nail liquids, another one of the nail liquids. This is the rose oil, the swipe, the eyedropper, the acrylic brush, manicure brush. These are the clear and the natural nail tips. The acrylics, the clear, natural, the pink, and the extra white. Here are the nail forms. And they had this box like put together very well. So let me take these out of here because it says don't forget to open me. So that means it says don't forget to open me. So let's see what we got in here. This is another nail powder. Oh, this is the extra white. The other one I pulled was the core white. And here's the brush on glue. Have the protein bond and the dapping dish. So I'll throw that back in there. And then also got the ultimate finishing gel top coat. And throw that back in there too. So I'm just going to put all of this back in here, because it's easier to keep up with stuff if it's put up somewhere. And close that back. But yeah, these are the items that I got in this kit. These are the items I got in this kit. So y'all just like stay tuned. I will be showing y'all how I use these items. Again, I am still like in the learning process. I'm pretty much relearning how to do all of these things. This sounds, oh, that's just it's hitting. But I am relearning how to, well, not relearning because I never forgot, but I am practicing getting this back together and like working on this again. So maybe I should turn y'all to this. Alright, so I am practicing this stuff all over again. I'm pretty much starting fresh again on this. Y'all don't mind my bags. Oh my gosh, I look like dead. But so I am getting this back together and like starting to practice more on my craft. So y'all will be seeing more of these types of videos of me practicing with these products. And I'll definitely tag them below in the description box so that y'all can see where I got it from, where to order it, how I ordered it. And they also have a YouTube channel, so if nails are something you're interested in, you definitely can go to their channel. They do a lot of instructional videos and they are very helpful. So yeah, that's my unboxing. I'm about to get ready to go to work. I already have my school uniform on because, baby, today, yeah. And I think I'll come back home and put my face on because I feel like I look dead for whatever reason. Yesterday, I stayed in the bed all day yesterday, so that might be why I look like this. But yeah, I'll be back to talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, I did my face.
The setting that we have, to see somebody take initiative and see something that needs to be done without having to be asked to do it, that's a self-motivation versus somebody who, you know, step over trash. They'll see something that you wiped off and they'll pass by because they feel like, you know, it's not my responsibility. Someone who's willing to take initiative, take responsibility, and not have to, you know, that kind of